Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fact Wonder. So you guys must be wondering that who is this guy? Where is he from? So for your kind information, I'm the actual person who talked in previous videos of mine about universal truths and various types of facts. So I bet you my old subscribers and my old viewers would recognize my name. But if you are a new one, for your kind information, I am the actual person who is a fact vendor, where I give various types of facts. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my YouTube channel and support me for my more videos and for getting more notifications. So why am I wasting my time? So I'm not going to waste my time. Let's get started. So today's topic is going to interesting and so weird. So people, you must be thinking, why is he saying so weird? Because these are the weirdest things that are done by animals. Yeah, today's our interesting and weirdest topic is top 10 interesting and weirdest adaptions by animals in animal kingdom. Top 10 weirdest adaptions of animal kingdom, not adoptions, it's adaptions. So people who don't know what is adaptions is, so I'm going to explain. For example, I will start with an example. I am from Karnataka, and when I moved to Delhi, place change, water change, people change, language change, everything is changed. For adjusting over there, you need at least 6 months or 1 year. Even the same thing happens with animals. So after 1 year, you make some adjustments and you will be settled in that place. So even animals can't do. If a fish goes to desert, it dies because it does not get adjusted to the desert quickly. So people, adaptions are the modifications which are made to adjust in the place. Like modifications are like if you are in a water, for example, if you want to learn swimming, for adjusting over there, you need 3 minutes because your heat is warm, your hands are warm, your total body is heat, and the water is cold. For adjusting, you totally need 3 minutes. After that, you will think like the water and your body heat will be the same. So this adjustment should happen. Like these animals also need adjustments to settle down in their places. Like fish need adjustment. Fish took a lot of years to adjust in water before humans started developing. So this was the main thing. Adaptions are something or modifications made by animals or living beings like humans, animals or anything, which make modifications to adjust in their surroundings. So let's start with fact number 1. The immortal jellyfish. Time means nothing to it. Just rebirth, going back to childhood and rebirth forever, but no death. So the immortal jellyfish is a kind of jellyfish. It comes under jellyfish species and it's like very immortal, like God. We say God is immortal, but even in sea there is a God called immortal jellyfish. It never dies. This jellyfish, if you cut it into halves or 100 pieces, it never dies because those 100 pieces becomes a new type of jellyfish. Like if you cut one into 2 halves, the 2 will be 2 new jellyfish, two new immortal jellyfish. But you can't do it separate or you can't make it die. So immortal jellyfish does not have a never end. So what if how does it does not get an end? Because it has some chemical reaction taking place in it. Like some of the ammonia get mixed with it, and even phosphorus. It takes air and sunlight, mixes together and makes solar energy. Those solar energy help this octopus to make a living forever. Fact number 2. Did you know there is a wood frog? This animal name is the wood frog, but it lives in Antarctica. So this frog freezes to death. Like, it freezes in winter. It does not move its hands. It will be in the same place. Think this is a place. It's here. Winter comes. It will be like this. Never moves till spring comes. So it will be freeze to death. Its heart get freezes, so heart does not work when it get freezed, and the blood vessels get freezed, and the blood inside the blood vessels also get freeze. So these all organs get freezed in the wood frog's body. So what happens? The death. Where even heart attack is same like that. When heart stops pumping blood and blood stops going to other organs, you are dead. That is your end. But this is not the end of a wood frog. It dies, but only it dies for approximately the wood frog till birth to end. It will die 1,000 times, and it will rebirth like 1,000 times. Like, doing rebirth and dying, it's a very good, not very good circle. In this circle, it should be running all year. Like, whole year, it's very difficult for a wood frog to survive. So after death, when spring enters, it will start its journey, and yeah, it's a rebirth for it, because heart starts working in spring, heart stops working in winter, and no blood vessels, all frozen in winter. And when spring enters, all the frozen things get to back, like it will start working again. All the frozen things melts, and it starts its new journey. Fact number 3. Do you know an insect called as the Bombbearer? The Bombbearer beetle. Do you know why did I tell the insect's name 2 times? Because I got scared. If you see this insect anywhere, do not touch it, okay? Yeah, you will get to know why is this caution. I told you this because Bombbearer beetle is a very, very dangerous insect. It looks very little, but do you know why did I tell it? It's very I'm not getting scared talking with you guys or standing in front of camera. I'm getting scared. Like, when I saw the video or when I read the article, I really got shocked. How this can happen? Like, it was very weird. This Bombbearer beetle uses his abdomen to shoot boiling. It's a boiling chemical. It's like a natural flamethrower. Sometimes it also throw fire on some insects. Like, the prey is here, and the Bombbearer beetle is eating something. The prey come like this. It will shoot. It will spray the boiling chemical on this insect. This insect will die. And I saw footage where Bombbearer beetle sprays it to a crab. The boiling chemical goes and stick to the crab's eyes, and a crab, it's very big. And this beetle, see the size. The crabs get scared and it runs. And the Bombbearer beetle gets started to eat the leaves again. So this natural flamethrower is a very interesting insect, and it's very weird. If you touch it, your hands could burn. It also throws fire, which is very, very venomous also. It's not a normal fire which only burns your hand. It's very venomous. It's like something, all the things mixed together like phosphorus, nitrogen, even oxygen for conduction of burning. They use these all chemicals, etc. They are not only these 3 or 4, there are so many chemicals combined to form this boiling chemical where it throws on ants, insects and all, even crab. As I saw that video, it was very dangerous. So never touch this beetle, even I will not touch. So tell it to your friends. And yeah, if you saw the beetle's face, like saw the outer structure, it can shoot from anywhere. Like if abdomen is like this, it can shoot like this side, the sideways, left side, right side, back right, left right, back and forward. It can shoot in different types. Like it will not shoot, it will spray, but the shooting direction of it's all rounder. It's like it shoots every sides, where if insect is standing here, the Bombbearer beetle is facing this side straight, and the insect is standing here, the abdomen shoots it sideways like this and it's dead. So the fact number 4, the mimicked octopus. So talking about this octopus, it's unbelievable. See, when I saw the footage of mimicked octopus, so I will explain about the footage afterwards. Mimic octopus is a real life shapeshifter. Like when you see in movies, so many superheroes shapeshifting in something small, big and huge things, but they are movies, they are fictional. But this is the non-fictional. I'm not talking about movies, but this is the real thing. It shifts its, do you know, it shifts, it's a real life shapeshifter which shifts its shape into anything. Like not only anything, it shifts like fishes, it also be rock and some fungus growing and waving at the sea, and also some algae which fishes eat. This is also known as king of camouflage in sea. It's the king of camouflage in ocean seas. You find it very rare, because when even some people, when they scuba divers go inside, they does not, like, once a scuba diver touched the mimic octopus, it was a rock, he touched it, suddenly a black ink got sprayed on his face and he became black. So sorry, my specs got, his face became black and he was looking fully like coiled, and it shifted shape into algae. Suddenly, when it sprayed ink, black ink on that guy's face, it turned into algae. So that guy did not recognize and went. So it's a very good shapeshifter, where this was the best animals which I saw. It's a very magical thing, but it's under 100% real. Fact number 5, the Panarian worm. Slice. Wherever you find Panarian worm, slice it. So this was an thing or an event or a scheme where scientists go to find Panarian worm, they cut it into halves, but nothing happens, because slice it into 1, slices it to 100, but it never turns or never dies, because this worm is also known as immortal worm. But it has a death, but if you do any damage to it, it does not mean anything to the worm. Have you seen Deadpool and Wolverine movie? In Deadpool, he regenerates everything. Like when he got shot into his leg by a bullet, he was not injured because he got regenerated. So this worm regenerates every skin of the body. Like it has a regenerating power. But I don't know how it also has regenerating power, but it dies like for only people slice it a lot of much, but this regenerating power does not amplify the death of this worm. So yeah, the speciality of regenerating, this was the second most like weird animal or amazing animal which can regenerate. It's a very good animal. Fact number 6, the carrion flower, a flower of death. Did you know why did I say the flower of death? I'm not talking about the movies, the Games of Thrones, or not about the Deathpool movie. I'm talking about the carrion flower. So this flower is also known as the flower of death because this flower smells like a death rotting, it's a death rotting flesh of or a meat of a human or any animals. You know why do this smell? When I actually saw the video, so many insects are there, like I thought they came to suck a nectar, but this actually smells like the flesh of a human or an living beings like animals and fishes. So it can attract all the flies and mosquitoes. Do you know why does this though? Even I was shocked. Every flower has nectar, okay? Every flower has some nectar. So bees are mostly like come to nectar, suck them, and when they go to their like things. But this, do you know why this happens? To improve the pollination of the death flower, which is also known as carrion flower. These carrion flowers are very rare to find. They are like only 32,000 in whole world. So you can't find them very easily. So this, for improving the pollination of carrion flower, this produces an smell of death or rotting flesh to attract all the flies to come and sit on them, and all the filaments get stuck to the leg of, yeah, the pollination process occurs there. So this was the thing of carrion flower. So viewers, yeah, have you ever heard a fish which blinks, which walks, which breathes air? So what fish I am talking about? It's none other than the mud skipper fish. It's commonly known in every places. The mud skipper fish is a very good fish which has so many things, which is also known as a human fish. So this blinks like humans. It blinks all the, it does not blinks all the time. It blinks, it breathes, it also skip. Like it does not walk, it skips, it jumps. You know, a mud skipper fish skips like, when it's here, it skips like this much. But it can't beat the grasshopper, but it's like a skipping thing. So mud skipper fish is a very good fish which has so many things to learn. It undergoes so many difficulties, guys. It undergoes so many difficulties. Most of the time people go to some lakes and all, they see mud skipper fish and they take it home, or else some people also stamp them thinking those are insects and they are harmful for them. So we are mostly like, we are killing them. So I always tell, don't, please, never kill animals without knowing them. So even they have a life, never kill them. So they have amazing features. They breathe from their body. They does not breathe from their lungs or their gills. They have gills actually. They breathe from their body, from their skin. And the second thing is they blink, and again they skip very high, like this much. Yeah, that was about mud skipper fish. It is a very good fish. So I again tell that please don't kill any animal without knowing it. Are you busy playing games of assassin? Do you like assassin? Yeah, even I play assassin games. But have you ever think, what if an insect is an assassin? If you ever thought like that, your thought is a truth, a whole truth. There is an insect called as assassin nymph. So sorry, I forgot that telling the fact number. This is fact number 8. Sorry guys. Yeah, let's move on. See, the assassin nymph or assassin bug drinks all the thing, like all the liquids, digestive liquids, even it sucks skin and the sucks blood from every single ant or every single insect which eats it. Victims, like assassins have victims, right, to shoot or to murder. Like these victims are the people which assassin eat, or victims are someone who know the truth about a murder or something. But it's also like not about victims, the prey. It preys to ant, mostly ants. It eats ant and the shells of ant. Like it just only suck the things, but does not eat the skin. Like not like animals like lions and all. It does not eat meat. It does not. It sucks. It sucks like this and wear the shells as fashion. It's a fashionable beetle. It's not a beetle. It's a bug. It wears all the skull and all the things, like not the skull, all the tissues of ants and all. It's a fashionable bug. It does fashion, like it uses it for not only for fashion. It's also uses it for camouflage. Like if any predator is looking for it, where is this assassin bug? And it wears it already wear all the shells of ants and just kept silence. Oh, there's some couple of ants. So yeah, the prey will, like the predator of assassin bug will think like this. So it also uses to camouflage, and it's also very fashionable bug. When I listen that it's a very fashionable bug, it is a fashion. It was like it's an amazing beetle or a bug. Yeah. Fact number 9. The cleaner fish or a doctor fish. See, we all are scared of going to our doctors because doctor gave us injection and I don't like injections. Children might like, why doctor always give injection? And if something, even doctor is like this, giving the injection, people will be like, yeah. So I'm not going to talk about doctors. Let's come into our video back. So yeah, the cleaner fish or a doctor fish. The doctor fishes and the cleaner fishes. Have you ever seen this footage? Like a man who is opening his mouth and all the fishes surrounds him. Not all the fishes. One fish comes to near his mouth and it starts eating all the bits and all the bits and chunks of food. Like if you did not brush your teeth correctly and all the chunks are remained, it comes near your mouth and cleans everything. So it's a doctor fish and a cleaner fish. It cleans every single fish's mouth. I even saw footage of cleaner fish cleaning the mouth of shark. I thought today this cleaner fish is fish's last food or last dinner with shark. But my thought was not like, it did not happen. The shark did not eat. It was just opening his mouth like and the cleaner fish was eating all the chunks of meat and all the parasites in the shark's teeth. It ate all and yeah, it went back. So shark cleaned is like, it does not, this cleaner fish is like a brush for them. Like it does not need brushing and all. Even I thought of, even I will buy a cleaner fish in my house. Like I'm very like, I don't like brushing my teeth. Simply joking. Fact number 10. Did you know about a beetle which turns into gold, diamond, gem? Talking about these insects, this is the most insane insect I never saw. Like, have you everybody like saw gold and silver and all, but this insect is a very rare insect where the wings of it is made of gold. When it covers its wings, like whole body turns into gold. Really, whole body turns into gold, whole upper part. Like the insect is like this. This remains the same, but this upper part becomes gold. So yeah, this, you know why this beetle name is the golden tortoise beetle? Because the golden tortoise beetle becomes gold when it gets happy or excited. So it becomes gold, and people, if you see it in some forests, don't think it is gold, it's just a beetle. Even if it is more gold, more excited and all, it can become reddish diamond also. It becomes reddish or brown, it becomes reddish brown for converted into a diamond. I told, when it gets excited, it turns into reddish brown or reddish or brown diamond. But this happens because it also camouflages. Because when some predators or eagle-like birds searching for this or something, it will just think it's a shiny metal or something, or a rock. Just rock. Why do they come when they see something? They are just searching insects. So even when this is very scared, this is an emotional insect. Like when it get happy, it becomes gold. When it's get more excited more excited or happy, it becomes reddish diamond. If it's very scared, it becomes brown. It comes to its normal form, brown or red, because when it want to camouflage, it's always likes to be on trees. So this one, when it's want to camouflage, it should be brown, right? So trees are brown and the beetle is also brown. So this becomes brown or red to camouflage and not get preyed, or not get eaten by some eagles or any predators of it. So yeah, this was my last insect. So please comment on how was the video, and never forget that like, share and subscribe my channel. So before subscribing my channel, how did I get to know about these insects? So for knowing about these insects took me a lot of research. So for this, I ask you only thing again. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and click on the like button and also if you want notifications, click on the bell button to get more notifications of my video. This thing can encourage me more to make videos. So thanks for watching. Signing out with Bhushit, Fact Vendor.